welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest DIY body shimmer. And this is very popular now because we all want some glowing skin. And honestly, you guys, this is just truly so simple. It only takes 2 products to make this one if you just want to make the simple version. But if you want to get more like into like organic oils and essential oils, you can go that route too. But this is just going to be the most basic route. And if I have any entrepreneurs out there, you guys can see how you can make these and sell them. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys how I make these DIY body shimmers. And yeah. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and start out with the supplies we're gonna need for this DIY body shimmer. Alright, so I use this Amazon brand baby oil as my main product in my body shimmer because it is 20 fluid ounces, which means it's gonna make 5 4-ounce bottles that I'm going to be telling you to get in a minute. And if you think it's baby oil, so it's sensitive enough to use on a wide variety of skin types. The next thing that I got was this 12-pack mica powder set, and mica powder is just so versatile. It's used for a wide variety of things when it comes to cosmetics and other DIY projects, so highly recommend using this, and it's also safe on your skin. These are the clear 4-ounce bottles that I was telling you guys about. These are great for body shimmers because it comes with the eyedropper type of applicator, which is great for what we're trying to do. These little mini funnels are great and a lifesaver when it comes to putting the liquid into the glass containers. So highly recommend just investing, $3 in these little funnels. Last but not least, these little applicators will also help when it comes to putting the mica powder into the containers. It's just easier for me to use these to get it in, but it's not all necessary. It just makes the process easier, and I recommend just getting these from the dollar store. I only put these on here because these are the ones that I currently already had, but I'm sure you can get them for cheaper somewhere else. So go ahead and grab your glass bottle. Make sure that you clean them with soap and water before using them, just so everything is sanitized. Then go ahead and place your little funnel into the container so we can start to add in the baby oil. So go ahead and start pouring the baby oil into the container, probably until it's about 1/4 of the way. So this is the color of the mica powder that I'm going to use. It's like a very champagne-y color, and I have filled the container 1/4 of the way because we want to add in the mica powder in increments just to make sure that it's all mixed in together very well. You guys, I just wanted to keep this clip in just so you guys can laugh at my struggle right here. I am trying to get this mica powder out, but for some reason it's not coming out, and you can see my confusion. Like, what is wrong with this? Why is it not coming out? Is it clumped up or something? No, my dumb self just forgot to look and see if there was still a plastic seal on top. So that's why it wasn't coming out, Samantha, because you didn't take the seal off. So here's me finally figuring out that there is a seal on top of the thing, and I'm feeling so silly. So I took the seal off, and then I put my applicator inside so I can get a good amount of the mica powder out. And honestly, you don't need too much of it. You just need probably about 3 of these scoops for once you reach 1/4 of the way, and then we'll add in more later. Go ahead and screw on the top to the bottle so that way you can shake it up really nice and that layer will be mixed through. Then get your small funnel and then add in some more of the baby oil almost till you get to the top, but then just leave some space so that way you have room to shake it up. So you want to stop about here so you can add in some more of the mica powder and make it more pigmented. So now I'm going to take my applicator and probably apply about 3 more scoops of the powder to the baby oil. Go ahead and put your lid back on so you can shake that bad boy up. Then if you want to put your plastic funnel back in and fill it up all the way almost to the top, you want to leave a little bit of room, because when you put that eyedropper top back in, it's gonna kind of push the liquid to the top a little bit more, and you don't want it to overflow. So right about here should be good, and then you give it one last shake and you're good to go. And here is how my first color is looking. It's honestly so pretty. It reminds me of like liquid gold or something. I absolutely love it, and I could just stare at this all day. So I'm just going to repeat the steps one more time for you, just in case you want a quick overview. So I'm just going to now do this pretty gold color. I'm going to add the oil in about 1/4 of the way. Once I've reached 1/4, I'm going to add about 3 scoops of this mica powder to the oil. I'm going to give it a nice good shake. Then I'm going to fill the bottle almost to the top, but then I'm going to leave some room to add in more mica powder and to be able to shake it up. Add in 2 to 3 more scoops of the mica powder. Give it another good shake. Fill it up the rest of the way with some more body oil. And then just for fun, get one more last shake in there. Alright, so here are all the colors that I made. I made one really rich gold one more of a light gold, then a champagne-y color, and then the last one I call my pink lemonade because that's what it reminds me of. Now these don't necessarily show up as pink on your skin or gold on your skin. It kind of just gives you a nice glow, and it's more of a shimmer than a sparkle because we didn't add sparkles in here. This more so just looks like a natural bronzy glow, and trust me, you're gonna love it. Alright, so I just wanted to test this out for you guys. So I take my dropper and just put a decent amount on my skin, and when I rub it in, you guys, it is making me glow. This like just makes like a bronzy finish, and it's perfect if you're showing a little bit of skin like in a dress or maybe a bathing suit, and it's just gonna set you apart and make you look like you are glowing. And plus, who wants to be ashy? Nobody. So go ahead and put this on after you get out the shower, and it'll just make you look very nice. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you truly enjoyed it and that it was fun to watch. This is just so easy and simple to make. You can either make these just for yourself, or if you want to get into selling them, you can also do that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and leave me a comment down below letting me know some other DIY projects that you want me to try out. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.